Ang ating kapuso star na si Bella Padilla, one of the most searched sa isang search engine website.
Wow, ang bongga ni Bella. Congrats, Bella. And we also asked her kung ready na ba siya makatrabaho si Marian Rivera sa bagong proyekto matapos ang kontrobersyang kinasangkutan daw nila. Bella tells us all.
Very thankful ang young actress na si Bella Padilla na mapasama sa listahan ng Yahoo East Asia Most Searched. Kasama niya sa listahan ng iba pang showbiz personalities tulad ni Boy Abunda, Casey Concepcion at Gerald Anderson.
Super thank you sa Yahoo Philippines kasi big deal pala yun for Yahoo Southeast Asia pala yun. Hindi ka naman alam na I'm representing the Kapuso Network, being the first Kapuso to be interviewed for Yahoo Southeast Asia. So thank you to Yahoo Philippines.
She happily shared with us her experience while being interviewed by the internet giant.
Actually, the interview was done super tagal na. I was taping for Machete, tapos someone contacted me through Facebook. Sabi niya nga, she's from Yahoo, tapos kung pwede daw ako interview. And expect ko, hindi naman siya big deal. Pagdating ko nga din sa interview, naka-white t-shirt lang ako na cotton, tapos sobrang wala akong makeup. I like how the interview came out kasi it was so casual. Parang, they didn't give me, alam mo yan, it wasn't parang nakaka-pressure na interview like this. Joke na.
At pakiramdam ba niya ay malaki ang nagawa nito for her career?
So I don't think I'm a big star yet. But I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there. Yeah, I'm gonna get there.
Naitanong rin namin sa aktres kung willing na ba siyang makatrabaho muli ang minsang naging co-star sa Endless Love at isa ring kapuso na si Marian Rivera after ng balitang gulo sa pagitan nila.
Opo, like I always say nga, a job is a job. Alam niyo yun, parang kung ito yung script na binigay sa akin today, sino naman ako diba para mamili ng mga kasama ko sa show. Siyempre, dapat siya rin tanungin natin. Pero kung ako, okay lang naman po.